राम राम सभी को। जय श्री कृष्ण। ओम नमः शिवाय।
In this video, we will learn how to practice Merudanda Mudra. First, we need to sit in Padmasana. Now we will make different hand gesture to make Merudanda Mudra. Bring your hand in front of you. Fold your all fingers inside your palm. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Keeping your thumb straight outside and palm facing each other. Things to notice while doing Merudanda Mudra to avoid mistakes. Fold your all fingers inside your palm. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Keeping your thumb straight outside. And palm facing each other and thumbs pointing the sky. And place your both hands on your knees. Now you are ready to do meditation in Merudanda Mudra. Now let's talk about the benefits of doing Merudanda Mudra. Promotes proper alignment of the spine and encourages a balanced posture. Helps balance the body's energy by evenly distributing it along the spine. Enhances mental focus and concentration, making it beneficial for meditation. Induces a sense of calm and relaxation, reducing stress and anxiety. Helps to support overall physical and mental well-being by harmonizing the body's energy systems. Now you have learned Merudanda Mudra.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.